for Charmi. Good morning, all of you. My name is Harshit Kadia from class 2nd. My place is Get ready for place. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I am proud of its very high grade. As also always as also respect
to
my parents, teachers, and adults. As also kindness to animals, to my country, and my people. I pledge my devotion in their happiness
and prosperity.
and prosperity. In all line of happiness. May God
Give our countrymen.
your countrymen peace and prosperity. जय हिंद. भारत माता की. भारत माता की. भारत माता की. Honorable Chairman, respected people, all are my dear friends. First of all, I will be my name is Divanshu from class 1 to divine in the poem. सूर्यास्त सूर्योदय के बाद दिखता हूँ, सूर्य के सबसे करीब रहता हूँ, पथरीली सी तक और कट के भी मेरे पास कोई चंद्रमा नहीं है। देवता एक कदू ऐसे प्रसिद्ध बुद्ध ग्रह नाम से जाता हूँ। The cuckoo is a fine bird, he sings like he flies, bring us good. The cuckoo is a fine bird, he sings as he brings us good tidings. He tells us like he's a little project to make his voice clear, and when he sings cuckoo the summer. Thank you very much. Jyoti for third. Believe you can and you are halfway there. This wonderful quotation, Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Stan Academy and my dear friend. This is me, Jyoti Ketwa, on behalf of class third. Today I am standing here to say the thought, and my thought is like that. Think big and the goals will come closer. I repeat my thought 1 second. Think big and the goals will come closer. The Hindi translation of this thought is सोचे बड़ी रखो मंजिलें खुद पास आएंगी. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I would like to call my senior for news.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Tarush Kurunga of class 11, presenting some news headlines in front of you. My first news from international. America is trying to make Russia and Ukraine take for a peace. Ukraine was hit the bullets in last night. And next news from sports. India will host the Junior Hockey World Cup start from the 28 November. And next news from weather. Today's the Pakistan temperature is 14 degrees Celsius and today is 12 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For my senior for article.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Stan Academy, and my dear friends. Today this is me, Gaurav Khitwar, in front of you to deliver my article related to the psychology of procrastination. Firstly, we know about the term procrastination. Procrastination is a universal human behavior where a person delays the current task to the future, which creates the stress and other negative consequences. And it also has been understood as a laziness, but as a modern psychology, it is actually a emotional regulation problem. As a human brain tendency to choose short-term comfort instead of long-term achievement or goals. When a person is performing a task, it faces a boring difficulties and overwhelming, which impact to the negative thoughts in his mind, and which creates the which creates the which creates the negative thoughts and negative thinking in mind, by which the brain diverts to the more enjoyable activities to gain the quick dopamine in the neurons of the brain, and do such activities like scrolling social media, watching movies, playing video games, and etc., which provide the instant dopamine reward. Many psychologists have explained this theory by many examples. One of them example is a Netflix paradox, which means when you ever decided to watch one or two episodes of any series in your break time while doing any task, so when you start watching the episodes and come to the end of that, then the Netflix or any other app auto change the episode to the next one, and you start continuously watching this over for 3 or 4 hours and complete all the series, which emphasize that your subconscious part of your brain is going toward the instant pleasure and not thinking about the future planning or you have decided before watching that. Many of the psychologists have given the two major reasons behind the procrastination. One of them is instant gratification, which mean that a person is more happy in his instant and short-term pleasure and not thinking about the future goals and achievements. And the second one is perfectionism, which means that a person is not even trying the task to perform because he is thinking that he is not perfect in it, and afraid from mistakes, which lead to the great loss of self-confidence and doubt in the task which he is doing. Now, how to overcome the procrastination? To overcome the procrastination, you have to know how to manage your emotions over the things for your pleasure. There are many techniques to control it. One of them is given by the great American psychologist William James. He told the new technique named as 2-minute tech, which is usually to give a small start to any task you perform, whether it is difficult, hard, or easy, no matter. You have to give a small start to any task by giving 2 minutes, and continue this in the multiple of 2, and remove all the distraction from your surrounding, and only focus on your task which you are performing, which will create a great impact in your task and complete it wisely. Thank you and have a great day.
So I would like to call Harshit for ask GK question. Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the staff members of the academy and my dear friend. First of all, morning all of you. My name is Harshit Singh. On behalf of class staff, today I am standing here for ask some GK question. My GK question topic is the state and their language. My first question is the language spoken in Maharashtra. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Marathi. My next question is
Second, give answer. Second and first.
the language spoken in Odisha. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Odia. Question is the language spoken in Gujarat. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Gujarati.
Gujarati.
My next question is the language spoken in Punjab. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Punjabi. Next question is the language is spoken in Andhra Pradesh. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Telugu. Thank you, Abhinandan. So I would like to call drawing and motivators.
मां शारदा के इस पावन प्रांगण में उपस्थित आदरणीय प्रबंधक महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, मेरे साथी शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे
ले साक्षी तू गो
आप सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। आप सभी के सामने आज मैं एक छोटा सा विचार लेके आई हूँ जो कि इस प्रकार से है। हर दिन एक नई शुरुआत है, हर दिन एक नई शुरुआत है, इसे बेहतरीन बनाने की कोशिश करें। हर दिन एक नई शुरुआत है, इसे बेहतरीन बनाने की कोशिश करें। इसका अर्थ है हर दिन को एक नया अवसर मानें और इसे अपनी पूरी क्षमता से जीने का प्रयास करें। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को हर दिन एक नया अवसर मिलता है कुछ नई चीज़ें सीखने के लिए, और पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको और भी चीज़ें सीखनी चाहिए और प्रयास करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Attention, studies. Classes, show your hanky and names.
some cut some not cut huh not cut huh you're also not cut